In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not working on your smart television. So whether you're having issues loading up the app, playing a video, or you're just receiving an error message, I'm going to show you how to go and fix all of these YouTube issues. Now, I'll be demonstrating this on a Samsung television, but this should work on all models of TVs. So whether you have a Sony, LG, Samsung, it doesn't matter. You can still follow along with the steps in this video. So the very first thing we need to do is just bring up the settings menu on our television. Now, sometimes you may have a settings button on your TV remote control, and you can bring up the settings by clicking this button. Or if you can't find the settings from there, you can click on the home button on your TV remote, and then you should be able to find the settings from the home menu. So for me, if I scroll all the way to the left hand side, I can click on settings from here. Now, once you're on the settings page, the first thing we need to do is obviously just make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi connection. So if we scroll down the list of settings, you're looking for an option here for network. Now on my television, this is located underneath the general tab, and then I can scroll across and click on network. Now we're going to click on network status and just make sure you have a stable connection to the internet. And once you've done that, we can come back over to the previous settings page. We're going to come back down to general once again, and we're looking for an option here to set the date and time. So on this particular model of television, this can be found underneath System Manager. I can then click on Time. I can then click on Clock. And you need to make sure that the clock mode is set to automatic. So this means the date and the time will be set automatically. And this is the first thing you can do to fix any YouTube issues. Now, the second thing you can do is try reinstalling the YouTube app. So if you head over to the home screen on your television, so I'm going to press this home button here. Now from this home menu, we need to scroll across the different list of options until you see apps and go and click on this. And this will bring up all of the apps on your television. So just give that a couple of seconds while it loads. Now, if you come up to the top right hand side of the screen, you'll have the option to click on settings. So I'm just going to go ahead and press the settings button. And then if I scroll across the different list of apps, you'll see YouTube. Now, all we need to do is go and hover over YouTube, and then I'm going to scroll down here and click on delete. You can then just press the delete button to confirm. Now, once YouTube has been deleted, we then need to go and reinstall it back to our television. Now, to do that, you can just head back over to the App Store. You can then click on the search box in the top navigation, and then you can go and search for YouTube. So I'm just going to type in YouTube like so. Once you've found YouTube in this list of apps, you can simply go in, click on it, and then you can go and press the install button to download this back onto your television. Once it's finished installing, you can open up YouTube and check if that solves the issue. Now, if you have tried all of the steps so far in this video and none of them are working, the final solution is just a hard reset your television. Now, this fixes 99% of problems, so all we need to do is go and power off the television. Once the TV is completely shut down, we then need to go and unplug it from the main power supply. And once your TV is unplugged from the wall socket, we need to leave this unplugged for around about 60 seconds. After 60 seconds have passed, you can then go in, replug your television back into the wall. You can try turning on your TV, and that should have now solved any YouTube issues or errors. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.